Michael Rosen said, some smart fridge adventure. I was starving because all I had for breakfast was nothing. So it's rush downstairs to the smart fridge in the kitchen. What's in it? Fair enough, and I'll tell you. The 2-year-old. Fat banana. Chocolate sauce. The 2-year-old. 203 rats. The 2-year-old. My goldfish. And the cheese. Anyway, I told the fridge to give me breakfast, but the fridge said, "What's the password?" Then I said, "I don't know, but I'm starving. Give me breakfast or I shall murder you." The fridge said, "You can't murder me. I'm an inanimate object." It was then I went from being cheery to absolutely furious. I began to fight the fridge, and I ran and jumped on my spaceship that drops bombs. Not long after, I've got big bother. I'm rattling away like mad with the key. It's no good. The spaceship wasn't working. Oh no! The moment I dread when the fridge becomes my spaceship that drops bombs. Meanwhile, the fridge starts up a chant. Die, 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 die. It doesn't stop. Die, 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 die. Anyway, I picked up a knife. It was huge. It was taller than me. I ran to the fridge. I stabbed the fridge. But, and this is a big but, the fridge had fumble. And it went like this. Pew, boing, pew, boing, pew, boing. It was then I noticed the dead prey the fridge had. And if there's one thing I can't stand, it's dying. So I said, murder. Me is cruel. Murder. Me is murder. You can't catch me. I'm Michael Rosen. And then I left the kitchen. Anyway, I was still starving. So I ate the dog's dinner and I ate a soapy flannel. Not long after, I went to the doctor. I said, "It's hurting." Now, doctor shouted, "Why?" So I said, "I ate the dog's dinner and I ate a soapy flannel." Doctor shouted, I don't believe it. I really don't. I can't get a moment's peace round here. I don't have to put up with you, you thick fool. Now, leave, please. I said, "Feel a bit sick, actually." Doctor shouted, "I don't care." So I said, "Help me or I shall sue you." Doctor shouted, "No, suing me because I'm the best lawyer in the land." "Yeah, I don't suppose you'll ask for help again, will you?" I said, "Okay, Mum, okay." I mean, doctor, don't worry about it. So I left the hospital. Meanwhile, I've got big bother because it's still hurting. That's when my brain starts doing things. You know, Holland stuff. My friend Hans from Holland says that in Holland they have hospitals. It was now my plan to go to Holland. So it's rush down to the seaside. Then I swam the English Channel and it went like this. That's enough. Not long after, 3 weeks later, I got to Holland. There was a Dutch security guard. She said, I said, I think you're right, the Dutch security guard. She screamed, oh no, the moment I dread when I can't go to Holland. And yes, I was deported. They took me to a place so sad. Such a sad place. Oh no, I hate Birmingham.